I am a soldier turned educator and trainer. I served the Indian Army for 34 years. Well, military leadership primarily means leading your men into battle. That is leadership, where there is a clear vision, give them a mission, provide them a purpose, and then make them go to the purpose by inspiring them, motivating them, and giving them the direction. I have in my talks generally talked of the Mumbai terrorist attack of 26/11 as an example, that when the NSG moved from Delhi to Bombay, they had no clue about what the operation is going to be. They did not know that there will be 3 missions when NSG is only designed for 1 mission at a time. So in the army, which is a structured organization where everything goes by absolute meticulous planning, all this happens only till the time you make a contact with the enemy. And the moment you make contact with the enemy, chaos starts to happen. And the military leadership is all about handling chaos. Because you know your plan, but you don't know the enemy's plan. And the enemy will react in a certain way, and now every action of yours will be like a chess. What he does, how are you going to react to that? And therefore, the most important thing in military leadership and any military operation is contingency planning. If the enemy does this, I will do this. If the enemy does this, I'll do this. You can counter all his possible movements. So the principle of foresight, which is a very important principle of war, comes into play. Military leadership is equally applicable in the corporate world. Sun Tzu, who is respected as a military philosopher, all his principles of war are equally applicable in the corporate world. My name is Brigadier Sushil Bhasin, and I speak with SpeakIn.